We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. It's that time of the season whereby players get released from teams, whereby players get signed by teams. But today we are going to concentrate specifically on Orlando Pirates. Some players have been released, some players have been signed. My brother, Moses, jersey number 10, Mabasa. Kunjani mfowethu?
Siyaphila njani baba?
Hayi siyagula. Ngicabanga ukuthi namhlanje usuku olubuhlungu ebholeni lase South Africa. Ngicabanga ukuthi usuku olumnyama ebholeni lase South Africa lapho sibona khona uSipho Mbule iPirates imdedela. Mayimdedela uSipho Mbule mawuthi uyacabanga ukuthi usuka kuSuperSport waya kuSundowns, usuka kuSundowns waya kuSikhukhuni weza kuOrlando Pirates. iSundowns nePirates usebadlalelile amathimi amakhulu, amathuba amancane ukuthi usangasayinwa iChiefs. Manje mangibheka ngibona ithuba lomdlali oqavile ohlakaniphile lishabalala. Ngibona uSipho Mbule engeke salithola ithuba lokudlalela iteam enkulu ngaphandle ezimene ezibucayi masingathola ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs yamsayini. Kuthini ukuphawula kwakho njengoba namhlanje iPirates imemezele ukuthi uSipho Mbule iyamdedela engeyedwa kodwa ke ake sikhulume ngoSipho Mbule kwamanje?
What I've seen the confirmation from Orlando Pirates. I've seen the confirmation from Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
About that they're not going to renew the contract of Master Chef Sipho Mbule.
Yes.
Sipho Mbule. So which means we will not be having Sipho Mbule for the upcoming season.
Yes.
Yes. So coming to your question, when you look back, let me take you back when Sipho Mbule was at SuperSport United.
Yes.
And Sipho Mbule at Sundowns, Sipho Mbule at Sekhukhune on loan from Mamelodi Sundowns,
Yes.
and then he came to Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
There were one or two scenarios of disciplinary issues
Yes.
of Sipho Mbule at SuperSport United.
Yes.
Up until SuperSport United sold him to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
And when he arrived at Mamelodi Sundowns, he was playing a good football. But all of a sudden, when the season was going on, we heard reported stories about disciplinary issues. And it was no longer, now they dropped him and he was no longer playing.
Yes.
Up until Sundowns loaned him for game time to Sekhukhune FC.
Yes.
And when he went to Sekhukhune FC, he was also playing again the same thing. But at some point, we had to also again
Yes.
disciplinary issues, and the Sekhukhune had to drop him again.
Yes.
Up until Sundowns did not renew his contract, and then Orlando Pirates approached him. And they saved him. Yeah, let's see the way they Orlando Pirates saved the Sipho Mbule.
Yes.
And then Sipho Mbule came back to Orlando Pirates. Now we saw a new Sipho Mbule, a revived Sipho Mbule at Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Up to a point whereby the national team coach Hugo Broos called him to the national team. He was playing at the Africa Cup of Nations. We saw him in many Bafana games. But it also came to the same scenario again at Orlando Pirates, whereby Sipho Mbule was not even playing. That's what I said last week on our last previous podcast, that there might be some disparate issues of which we are not sure of.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are not sure of.
Yeah. But now I think we are sure.
Yeah, now we are sure because
Yes.
a team of Orlando Pirates caliber, looking at the type of player Sipho Mbule is,
Yeah.
you can't just tell me that you can't renew his contract. Looking at how he was performing, was dishing up those plates on the field of play.
Yes.
Yeah, any coach can be a lover of Sipho Mbule. But if the management says we are not renewing, it's not the issue of maybe Sipho Mbule was not playing, but there might be some disciplinary issue. The reason I'm using the word might be, we are not sure which disciplinary issue was in effect or was a cause that led Orlando Pirates to say, Sipho Mbule, thank you very much, we are not renewing your contract. Thank you very much for your professionalism. So, but I think for other teams like Kaizer Chiefs as a big team to sign Sipho Mbule, it will be difficult for them. Looking at how can I use the word he fumbled? Like he fumbled at Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
He fumbled at Orlando Pirates. But on the pitch, he was
Fumbled at Sekhukhune.
He was cooking also. But on the pitch, he was cooking nice.
Yeah.
But outside the pitch,
Something else.
into singayizwa nakuthi yini.
Yeah.
Yabona. So if Kaiser Chiefs goes to the road of recruiting him, it might be another issue for him. Maybe we say the grace of God is upon his life, but I don't see Kaiser Chiefs signing him or any other big team signing him in South Africa.
That is very bad, and I think we should applaud Orlando Pirates because they always they do not tell the public what really happened with the player. Even some of the players who have played there before, they hardly tell the public what's wrong with the player. I think they are protecting their dignity.
Yeah, maybe it's a club's protocol, ethics and code of Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, the reason Orlando Pirates recruited Mbole was not to judge him,
Yes.
was not to destroy him,
Yes.
but was to build him as he's an asset
Yes.
to Orlando Pirates and to the country at large for South
Yes.
Africa.
Yes.
So sometimes if you want to build people or you want to build other person, you don't just put the napkins on the public for anybody to see.
To
it.
see.
No,
Yes.
what you do, you put a swap and wash those dirty napkins, and then you put them to use.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, your purpose or your objective is to build the player and
Yes.
see the player succeed. Because no one is perfect under the sun.
No,
we
that's
are
true.
all making mistakes. What do we need? We just need to surround ourselves with the right people at the right time who are going to gear up or push us to do what we are made to do.
So, is Sipho Mbule repairable? Is Sipho Mbule reprimandable? Is Sipho Mbule teachable? Is Sipho Mbule a player or a person that you can build? Because I think when he was introduced at Orlando Pirates, when he was signed,
Yes.
legends were called, and I think the coach as well, because he liked him. He said, when he was asked which players you like before he signed for Pirates, he said, I like Neo Maema and Sipho Mbule. So
Yes.
those are the players that he liked the most.
Yes.
But then we see Sipho Mbule now leaving Orlando Pirates. Is he teachable? Is he repairable? Is he reprimandable?
Yeah, it is possible. He is reprimandable and teachable and also be disciplined. Because if you want to reprimand him, what you have to do.
But Orlando Pirates tried, Mamelodi Sundowns tried, Skukuni tried. He didn't succeed. I don't want to talk much about SuperSport.
Yes,
but these
yeah.
three teams where it was evident that there were some disciplinary issues. So is he a person? Does he have? Is he? What can I say? Is he listening when the elders or the leaders are speaking?
I think the fact that Orlando Pirates and the Sundowns tried to reprimand him or to correct or discipline or reprove him,
Yeah.
and they failed, does not mean that he's not reprimandable
Yes.
or disciplined.
Yeah.
He can be. But you mentioned one thing that is he listening. Maybe
Yes.
the aspect is listening.
Yeah.
But there are some tendencies in some other people. We don't know his attitude.
Yes.
Yeah, his own attitude and his altitude again.
Yes.
Because sometimes bakhona abantu makuthi ukhuluma naye after yenze into wrong,
Yeah.
akulalela avuma,
Yeah.
but ma aphuma lapha kuwe
Abheka lethu uyabhetha.
abheka ayabhetha lo aqala ukwenza into
Uyajwayela
yakhe.
lo.
So sometimes it's about you
Wena muntu.
wena muntu after you've been told, after you've been
What do you
guided,
do?
what do you do? Because labantu laba or Orlando Pirates Sundowns, I believe the are and the were program that
Yeah.
were made to assimilate and try to make him good.
Yeah.
But forgetting from him that even if they encourage or allow you to go for workshop, mawuphuma kune public le ingekho away from Orlando Pirates or
Yeah.
from Sundowns or kulabantu laba bebe encourage, the very same thing ingabuya futhi ku attack like esontweni.
Yeah.
You pray for a demon,
Yeah.
and the demon comes out of a person.
Yes.
Idemon limlindile ngelapha emnyango.
Abadle ezokuthi
Maphuma liyabuya futhi. Uma ngalo umuntu le what deliver umuntu
Yeah.
ngaka. Why
Yeah.
asappear the same thing? So I think it might be literally more or less the same.
Yes.
That even if we can use any motivational speaker or whoever,
Yes.
but kusala naye Sibombulo ukuthi what does he
Wena
want in
uthini?
life? Uthini?
Ufunani?
Ma after abantu bakhuluma now.
Yeah.
And he's a professional.
Yes.
He's a professional.
A very good professional.
Exactly. And
So now,
and exactly, there's something that I want to say.
yeah.
That Sibombole, as you're watching us right now from We Talk Football SA,
Yeah.
you know very clearly that noma baka workshop kanjani into esalayo you know ukuthi kuphi la wena enza khona i-error.
Yeah.
After right now, like, as we are speaking now, you are listening to us, you are watching us, and then when you're watching us, khona izinto uzwayo la sisikhuluma from Talk Football SA is right.
Yeah.
After watching this video, go back alone and do what is right. Everything is all right.
No, ngiyabonga usukhuluma amazwi amakhulu kakhulu mfundisi. So now wethu uyapi manje Sipombulu ngoba ngeke ngezwe ngathi bamkhomba kusuwelele ukuthi ngathi uzosayinwa isiwelele kade kuse amahebezi ukuthi uyahamba namhlanje Orlando Pirates iqinisekisile ukuthi uyahamba. Uyapi Sipombulu mhlambe mawubheka?
Yeah, according to rumors, as the rumors of him leaving Orlando Pirates was not clear before today, there are rumors that Swellel is interested in his services.
Yes.
And now that the rumors of him leaving Orlando Pirates clear,
Yeah.
now as he's a free agent, any team is free and allowed
To sign it.
to talk to him together with his agent, Mr. Mike Makabu,
Yes.
about the possible signing of Sipombulu. We'll have to wait and see whether it's going to swell it or not, because anybody interested in Sipombulu might not only be interested only on the field of play.
Yes.
It must also be of much interest whether outside the football, how are you going to
How are you behaving?
how are you going to move with him? How is his behavior? Because he's a good player when you put him on the field, but there's something bad, because we need players who are disciplined. Because in the camp, because if some players are not disciplined, it can influence the results. It can influence the technical team. You see now. So we'll have to wait and see his possible destination. Where is Sipombulu going? But up to so far, the rumors links him to Swellel back to his home place.
SuperSport United anyway.
Yeah, he's going back to
Yeah.
SuperSport. It's
Yeah.
the same.
Okay. No, Siyabonga. No, this is the Talk Football SA. Inform, entertain, educate, promote. To Sipombulu, wherever you are, at Orlando Pirates, we thank you for coming. We thank you for dishing up at the arena. We thank you for entertaining us. Your contribution at Orlando Pirates was massive. Yes, there were hiccups here and there. Yes, the club has released you. You know what happened. You know what went wrong. If it was your fault, then you need to fix it going forward, because you are still a young man. You still need to build yourself. You still need to build your family. You should be in the World Cup now. You know that. But because of what happened at Orlando Pirates that we are not sure of, things didn't go well. Anyway, Master Chef, arrobale.
We love you.